Addiction. Why Haitian youth choose emptiness over their future. This article was brought to you by Gesner Deslandes, Engineer-in-Chief at GlobalInternet.py. Every day, I see the same scene repeat itself. In the streets, on public transport, in schoolyards, in homes, wherever I look, I see young Haitians, their faces lit by the glow of a smartphone, absorbed in videos that serve absolutely no purpose. Ridiculous dances, stupid challenges, pointless sketches, content that entertains the mind but adds no value to their lives. Look at their faces. You see joy. It's true. A fleeting joy. An empty joy. They smile. They laugh. They share these videos with their friends. But what do they retain? Nothing. Absolutely nothing. These hours spent watching insignificant content leave them with no knowledge, no skills, no tools to face real life. Meanwhile, just a few clicks away, there is an infinite world of possibilities. Free language courses, programming tutorials, e-commerce training, educational resources that could transform their future. But no, they prefer easy entertainment, immediate pleasure, instant gratification. In 2026, the majority of young Haitians will fail their school exams. This is not a prediction. It is a certainty. Why? Because they will have spent thousands of hours watching cat videos, TikTok dances, and senseless challenges, instead of dedicating even a fraction of that time to their education. I have seen young people spend 6 hours a day on their phones. Yet they cannot read a simple sentence in English, do not know what an algorithm is, do not understand how e-commerce works. Yet these skills could open doors for them, give them access to opportunities their parents never had. The worst part is that this addiction has become the norm. No one is surprised anymore. Parents see their children glued to their screens and say nothing, because that's just how young people are today. Teachers see their students arrive exhausted in class, eyes red, minds elsewhere, and they give up. But the real culprits are the platforms themselves. They designed their algorithms to create addiction. Every video is calibrated to trigger a small dose of dopamine, to make you stay one more minute, one more hour. And young Haitians, like millions of others around the world, have fallen into this trap. Yet I cannot entirely blame them. They are the product of a system that has abandoned them. A failing education system, limited economic opportunities, an uncertain future, the temptation to escape into a virtual world where everything is easy, where you can become famous in seconds, where you can forget the harshness of reality, is strong. But this escape comes at a price. A price our young people will pay dearly in the years to come. While they have spent years watching insignificant videos, other young people around the world, in India, China, Brazil, will have learned to code, to speak multiple languages, to create online businesses. They will have built their future while our young people will have built nothing. It is time to wake up. It is time to face reality. These videos that make you laugh today will not feed you tomorrow. These challenges that entertain you will not pay for your studies. These hours spent staring at emptiness will never give you the skills you need to succeed. I am not saying you should stop enjoying entertainment altogether. Entertainment has its place. But when entertainment becomes an addiction, when it steals your time, your energy, your potential, it becomes a poison. To you, young Haitians, I say this: open your eyes. Look at what you are doing. Look at what you are losing. You hold in your hands an incredibly powerful tool, a computer that fits in your pocket. Use it to learn, to create, to build, not just to consume. Learn English, French, Spanish. Learn to code, to build websites, to do e-commerce. These skills will open doors you cannot even imagine. They will give you the power to change your life, to change your community, to change Haiti. The time you spend watching insignificant videos is time you will never get back. Every minute wasted is 1 minute less to build your future. So stop for a moment. Ask yourself, is what I'm watching going to help me succeed in life? If the answer is no, then move on. The future belongs to those who know how to seize opportunities. And in 2026, the opportunities are immense for those who speak multiple languages, who know how to code, who understand e-commerce. Do not let a screen addiction rob you of that future. The choice is yours. Keep watching cat videos or learn to create the next great app that will change the world. Keep dancing on TikTok or become the next entrepreneur who will create jobs in Haiti. Keep wasting your time or become the person who will inspire an entire generation. The world is not waiting. It is time to grow up. It is time to build. This article was written by Gesner Deslandes, Engineer-in-Chief at GlobalInternet.py. If you want to learn new skills, develop your business, or build solutions for Haiti, contact us. Contact. Email deslandes78@gmail.com. Cell phone 509 4738 5663. Globe HTTPS. Global Internet Site PABH7 V6TNMSKXXNUPLRDCGK. Streamlit.app.